protection with Allah from the Satan, the outcast. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Here we are going to know why phonetics so essential. Let us make its learning a success with Zulfikar Ali Chaudhary at Z Scholars Academia. बोलते तो सब इंसान ही हैं, मगर मेला कौन लूट लेता है, आइए देखते हैं. Page 2. If you can speak, you can do everything. Sir Winston Churchill. We speak to communicate our desires, ideas, and thoughts to others. Let us see whose speech has influence. Let us see how speech is made. Speech is made up of different sounds. Sounds are made up of phonemes. Phonemes help make correct pronunciation. Correct pronunciation communicates us correctly. To communicate well, we must care for the listeners and make sure that they get the message. Enhancing clarity in pronunciation not only strengthens our communication skills, but it also improves our image and makes others more responsive to our message. If you know the phonetic alphabet, you know how to pronounce words. This alphabet gives the power. You will be able to speak better in English. You will write like you speak. If you don't know how to say a word, you can check in the dictionary and use the phonetic alphabet to find out the sounds. Thus, you won't need to rely on asking your friends or teachers or native speaker. This power makes you independent and confident learner. As every child wants to read something, but reads what he can read. Hence, to follow the saying, learn to read so that you can read to learn. इल्म के हुसूल के लिए पढ़ने की अहलियत होना दरकार है. पढ़ना ही नहीं आएगा तो वसी मुताला कैसा. Now if you want to equip yourself with this dexterity, we should start learning International Phonetic Alphabets IPA. As all the languages have three major components. One, a sound system, phonetics. Number two, a vocabulary. And three, a system of grammar. It may seem logical to learn the sounds first and then go on to the words and then to grammar. There are 44 phonemes in English, out of which 24 are consonants and 20 vowels. First of all, we should start with consonants, having their subgroups in respect of their utterances. In terms of manners of production, consonants are divided into 6 groups. Consonant first divided into 2 groups: obstruents, sonorants. Then the obstruents are divided into 3 groups: plosives, fricatives, affricates. Sonorants into 3 groups: nasals, laterals, approximants. First, plosives. Plosives are sounds that are produced with a complete closure of vocal tract followed by a sudden release of air and a resulting plosion or noise. There are 6 plosives in English: pa, ba, ta, da, kha, ga. They are also called stops. Six plosive phonemes and the related minimal pairs. From this page, we will study the plosives one by one. Their relevant words, pronunciation, English-Urdu meanings, and their use in sentences. The first one, the second plosives is ba. Its relevant words are ball, round object, gola, game, वगैरह. Sentence: just try to concentrate on hitting the ball. The second example is ball, meaning shout, चीखना, चिल्लाना. She bawled at me to sit down. This third example is breathe, to move air into and out of the lungs. It is so airless in here, I can hardly breathe. The third plosive is tha. Its relevant words are tortuous, with many turns, ya pechida. Its sentence is: he took a tortuous route through back streets. The second word is torturous, involving a lot of suffering or difficulty, aziyat amiz. Its sentence is: the torturous path to passing the bill. Third word is torment, great mental suffering and unhappiness or great physical pain, takleef pahunchana. They had endured years of torment at the hands of their neighbors. The fourth one plosive is da. Its relevant word is defuse, fuse hatana, to prevent a bomb from exploding. Its sentence: bomb disposal experts had defused a bomb at a subway station this afternoon. Diffuse, munzir karna, to cause something to spread in many directions. Sentence: television is powerful means of diffusing knowledge. Dessert, fawakya, sweet food eaten at the end of a meal. Its sentence: if you make the main course, I'll make a dessert. The fifth one plosive is kha. Its relevant word is career, tarz zindagi, pesha, the job or series of jobs. Sentence: he is hoping for a career in the police force as a police officer. Second word, carrier, kuli, boj uthane wala, a person or thing that carries something. Sentence: a carrier took my luggage to the railway station. Third word, cane, lathi, asa, long stick used especially by old, ill or blind people to help them walk. Sentence: the old man uses his cane to go about. The sixth one plosive is ga. Its relevant word is gorilla, a large ape that comes from Western Africa. Sentence: The gorilla escaped from the zoo. Second word, guerrilla, unexpected attack on the official army forces. The army don't want to become engaged in guerrilla warfare. Third word, grisserie, a solid white substance in meat that is difficult to eat. The meat was tough, grisserie, and fatty.